Alright, so we have this accelerometer that we need to get going. The accelerometer is this piece right here. I just put it on my taskbot just to get it going and see how to make it work. You can do the same on yours if you like, or you can, I don't know if you've modified your robot at all yet, but all you do is you stick it on your taskbot or on your robot somehow, take a cable and plug it into one of the sensor ports down at the bottom. Mine's in sensor port number 2. You can put yours wherever you like, but remember it has to be a sensor port, not one of the motor ports at the top. And now we're going to figure out how it works, how to make it go. Now when you fire up your programming environment, what I want you to do is look inside here, the advanced the blocks. And what I want you to do is look for this thing right there. It says acceleration sensor. That's your accelerometer. If you're working on your own computer, my guess is this block does not exist. And if you're working on the College of Engineering machines, this one may or may not exist. So if it doesn't exist, you're going to have to install it. And it's a good idea to install 2 more blocks too. So let me show you how to do that. First thing you need to do is go to Blackboard. That's not Blackboard. Here's Blackboard. And one of the things within syllabus, schedule, other posted files, Lego resources, accelerometer, you'll see this posting called additional programming blocks. I want you to download this archive file. So it's a zip file. That means it's a file that contains a whole bunch of other files and directories and good stuff like that. And once you download it, you'll see something like this. I call it block pack. It might have a different icon depending upon what machine you're on, depending upon what software is installed on the machine you're on. And what you need to do is unpack this archive file. So if you're on a Windows-based machine, it should be fairly straightforward to do. Pretty much all Windows-based machines have some sort of utility to unpack this. If you're on the College of Engineering machines, it should look exactly like this. In fact, you'll have the same software I do, I think. So what you do is you right-click, and when you right-click, you should see an option that says Extract to. It may or may not look exactly like mine, but there should be some sort of extraction option here. And you can go ahead and click that thing. Mine, I have WinZip to do that because I have a College of Engineering machine, and that's what they installed for some reason. I kind of like other ones better, but nonetheless, it gives you options for extracting. What you need to go do is find out where you or choose a place you want to extract to. So if I want to extract to my Dropbox folder, I can just highlight that and then hit click to extract, and then I'm ready to go. But you'll have to extract to some place that you have access to, that you can write to get these files. So after you extract, let me cancel it because I've already abstracted, you'll have a folder here called block pack. Inside block pack there will be 3 other folders. One's called acceleration sensor, the other one's called the arctangent 2, and assign and cosine. So I want you to install all 3 of these things. So the way you do it is you go back to Lego Mindstorms. Here we go. You go up to Tools, and there's a block import and export wizard. That's the one, I think. Yes. Okay, so here we are. We first have to tell it where to find those files. So you have to go to where you just downloaded them to. I don't remember mine was on the Dropbox folder, right? So yours will likely be in a different place, and it was it's called block pack, right? So you have to go inside there, click OK, and if it's in the right place, you should see those sensor files just come up right here. Remember, on mine I already have the acceleration sensor ready to go. I just need to do these 2 trigonometry ones. You probably have to do all 3, but highlight the ones you need and then click import, and it should take a second or 2 to do its thing. And it says import successful. That's cool. I was looking for some sort of message saying it worked, and there it is. So I can close it, and now when I go in here, look what I have. I have my acceleration sensor, my accelerometer sensor, and I also have, oops, where'd it go? I also have these two trigonometry blocks as well. So it's good to have all three of those. So get them, and in the next video we will go ahead and use them. In fact, after you put those in, maybe it's a good idea to quit. Just get out of this programming environment, and maybe you can start it up and make sure they're still there. So that's how you get going. That's the first step, at least.